Welcome to this beautiful model home in Bloomfield Hills, Michigan, in a great location just off of Lahser and Square Lake Roads. Prices beginning at around $1.7 million. Go through the grand foyer, you have access to a den and a guest suite. There are only 3 homes remaining for you to experience, and they are completed and ready for you to move in. This is the best of luxury living in Bloomfield Hills. This floor plan is the Hickory home plan, and it's an award-winning home plan because of the split bedrooms on the ranch-style home. You have one primary suite at one end of the home, and then you have the other primary suite in the back of the home. Do have a 3rd bedroom suite in the lower level, so make sure you stay till the end of the video to see the beautifully finished basement. In this home, you'll be able to enjoy the privacy of a single family home without any exterior maintenance. And then you also have this beautiful lanai that goes outside to the deck. And then you enter into the open space concept main living area. Tons of natural light. Then you can go down to the finished lower level where you have a 2nd kitchen that is there for entertaining and hanging out. Great place to be. And don't forget to see all of the storage down there when you go through. So if you want to look at this home or any other homes in Bloomfield Hills, this builder also has another development starting right at 13 Mile and Lahser Road. Same floor plans. Those start at about $1.3 million. So if there's anything I can help you with, please reach out to me, Marian Grout, licensed realtor in the state of Michigan. You can contact me at homesalestv.com, and I would be happy to talk to you about building your own custom home or going into a development like this with a single builder. Thank you for watching and enjoy.